Moments ago, this ship received word. The Cylon attack against our home world is underway.
Humanity's children are returning home today.
Sagittarian, how many have you got?
5,251 survivors from Sagittarian last count.
It had been years since anyone had heard from the Cylons. And in an instant, everything we knew was gone.
There are less than 50,000 of us left.
This war is over. We lost.
Now we're on the run.
Yes, we're tired. Yes, the Cylons keep coming after us time after time. And yes, we are still expected to do our jobs.
Our enemy, our own creation, is a bigger threat than we'd ever imagined.
There is at least one Cylon aboard the Galactica.
No mistakes. Now be careful out there.
People are getting crazy.
Clear your heads.
You said you had a way of detecting humans from Cylon. Do you or don't you?
Humanity's very survival rests in your hands.
You're still acting like you're everyone's best friend. Be careful out there. Good hunting is what you say.
Did you wake up somewhere you don't know? How you got there or anything? You're drugged.
You heard the rumors. Cylons who look like humans, sleeper agents hiding in the fleet.
I'm getting a bad feeling about where this is headed.
Let Galactica know we have a problem out here.
They've been tracking the ship all along.
The whole ship knows about you and the chief.
Put a stop to it.
Man takes responsibility for his actions. He accepts the consequences and lives with them every day.
I'm going to Galactica. I need a shot in or out of the cockpit.
You are right on the edge, Thrace. Careful you don't fall off.
Veer away, starboard.
There's no choice. It's either them or us.
Without all the risk, life is so dull. Do it.
This is the first day of the new era.